Hi, welcome to JavaScript interview question. In today's video, we will see how to find a last element of an array without using the length property. So I have a sample array which is having 4 elements and the last item in the array is yellow, and in the console.log I need to print the last element of that particular array. So the expected output in this particular case is yellow. And the constraint that we are having in this particular question is you should not be using the length property. Okay, so let's see how we can actually get the last element of this particular array. Okay, so in array prototype we have a special function. So the function is the at method. Okay, so we have an array.at method which takes an integer value and it returns the item at that particular index. Okay, and it allows positive and negative integers. Okay, and negative integers count back from the last item in the array. So this particular method would allow us to find the last element of an array and without using the length property. So let's see how we can achieve that. Okay, so we have the constant array, and in that array what you have to do is you have to provide, okay, you have to call the at method. Okay, so in one line you would be able to get the answer. So what at method does is we have to provide the index. Okay, so if you provide 0, what will happen? Let's see what is going to print. Okay, so it is printing white. That means 0 is this is the index. Okay, so if you provide 3, okay, so then yellow will be printed, but we don't know the length of the array. Okay, we don't know the length of the array, so how to proceed that? So in that case what you need to do is you have to provide -1. So when you provide negative integers, okay, so this -1 it will actually corresponds to the last item in that particular array. Okay, so if it is array.at of -1, that means it will be considering this is the last element in that array and it will print that particular value. Let's see whether we are able to get this. Okay, let's save the changes and see the output. It should be again yellow. Okay, so this is the way, without using the length property, we can print the or we can get the last element of an array using the at method. Okay, so this method is available for the array prototype. Okay, so let's see, in the array we are trying to push another element. Okay, not object, another element. Okay, so let it be green. Okay, so green is pushed to it. Okay, so now what will happen? Console.log. So now the expected output should be changed to green, and let's see whether we are able to get that or not. Console.log of array.at of -1. Okay, so let's see. So here you can see it is green. Okay, so this is the way it will work. Okay, so we can provide like -2. Okay, if we provide -2, then what will happen is it will be taking the second last item. Okay, so in this case it should be yellow again because we have already pushed green over there, so the second last item will be yellow. So this is the way you have to work it out for getting the last item or any other item. If it is like 0, 1, then you will be able to get with positive integers. It starts from 0th index, and from the last item if you want to get it will be always a negative integer and it starts from -1. So that's it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching.